You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love.
Alright guys, so these are some of the things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for this superhero birthday party. Basically, these are some of the items that I would grab if I was doing this. Of course, you guys can tweak things. You can change the color of your utensils. You could have got red cups. But this is what was available at my Dollar Tree, and then what I thought would go good with this theme. So everything's pretty much based off of these plates. These I thought just looked pretty expensive for coming from the Dollar Tree, you know. Usually they just have the solid colors, or their graphics look pretty cheap, but I really liked this set. So this kind of prompted the whole thing. They also have the matching napkins. I got little things like stars, right? These are either can be used for an activity, or it's going to be used for the centerpiece. These were my favorite things that I got because they actually match the color of the plate. And these are going to be used for the centerpiece, so stay tuned for that. So we're going to take some of these and put this. I'm just gonna arrange them.
Boom.
Boom. Now I'm just gonna take the strips that we cut, and what I'm gonna do is just fold it over the twine so that it's kind of looping over. And this is an important step. And then make sure that you staple over the twine. You don't want to staple on the twine, and that's important so that if you need to move it around, you can still adjust it.
Next to my chin, try to hold my breath in, don't wanna wake up. Your heart is my violin, watching you sleep is comforting, don't wanna wake up. that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got